I am many things. I'm intentional. I'm creative. I move through life with curiosity. I'm used to being the person that's different. Some people find my ways unconventional. Interior design isn't just a job for me. It's what I love doing. I use objects to tell stories. I love to cook. And I love spending time in the kitchen. But hosting is what I love the most. So when I invite friends over for dinner, I really enjoy crafting all of the elements that make the evening special. The attention to detail always makes a big difference. This passion for cooking and hosting are big parts of who I am.